Hello friends, today I'm going to share with you all my favorite matte lipsticks which I took from purple.com, and these will be suitable for all Indian skin tone. So let's get started. This lipstick is from Stay Quirky Badass Lipstick Soft Matte Kiss Me on the Lower Neck. The second one is Stay Quirky Lipstick Soft Pink Badass Insane Nibbling. And this is orange shade, which is also my favorite, and that is Only Lust Allowed. This is awesome red shade which will be suitable for all skin tone, and the name is Hickey Special Stay Quirky Lipstick Soft Matte. And this is like everyday look. You can use this from NYB Lipstick Creamy Matte Brown Hue From 5th Avenue. So I hope you like this shade. Thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and share it to all your friends and family, and let me know which is your favorite lip shade. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.